Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the evidence consolidation activity developed by Linda Carolina Carrillo list. So let's start. I remember when I turned 30 years old, it was one of the happiest days of my life. As soon as I woke up, I enlisted to go to school to the science lab. For me, it's very important to be part from the science school group because there are always an excellent or intelligent student than me. I have to admit that I felt a little tremor to be resisted by the teachers, but the tremor wasn't more big than my emotion when I present my project with all my nerves and the teacher says that it was an excellent project but I need to practice more and do some experiments to prove my hypothesis or theory in childs. And finally, it passed in my first presentation. In other exposition, I presented my project called Elaboration of a Desodorant for Child to the Ricardo Gonzalez Institution and in the International Science, Technology and Innovation Feria or FEITIN, I win an award to the Merida City in the Yucatan state from the Mexico City to fly on May of 2020 with all paid. But with the quarantine, I canceled my flight and I cannot disfruit my breath. It's very happiness, but too is so sad for me because it was an point or a part important for my life that I cannot do. I think that you like it. Thanks by listening me.